Who doesn't like to make millions in his lifetime? I don't think such people exist. Business is one of the surest ways to become a millionaire, even a multi-billionaire in one's lifetime. What makes the path to be enjoyable is knowing the right business to invest in. As one of the most lucrative businesses on the planet, in this episode, I will be revealing to you how to make millions from the cosmetics business. Welcome to the Usman Atanda, your one-stop destination for business, entrepreneurship, and making money. I'm Usman, and I'm excited to share my knowledge, experiences, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom and build the business of your dream. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, grow an existing business, or learn proven money-making methods, you've come to the right place. This channel will dive deep into passive income streams, online marketing, e-commerce, investing, and so much more. If you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to take control of your financial future, hit the subscribe button and join me on this incredible journey. Together, we will uncover the secret to generating multiple income streams, scaling your business, and living life on your terms. So let's dive right in. One is starting a cosmetics brand. This is one of the most direct and potentially a lucrative path to profiting in the cosmetics industry hugely. So it involves developing your unique product formulations, packaging, and branding. The key is to identify specific market segments or unmet needs, and then build a brand that resonates with that target audience. Successful cosmetics brands can generate significant revenue through online sales, retail partnerships, and direct to consumer channels. So building a strong brand recognition and customer loyalty is crucial. Examples of highly profitable cosmetics brands like Kylie Cosmetics, Fenty Beauty, and Glossier, which have found success by tapping into specific market niches and cultivate a distinct brand identity. So number two, cosmetics manufacturing. Another way to profit in this industry is to get involved in the manufacturing sides of the business. So cosmetics manufacturers produce products for other brands and companies. This can include formulating the product recipes, handling packaging and labeling, and managing the entire production process. So cosmetics manufacturing can be a capital intensive endeavor, so requiring investment in facilities, equipment, and quality control systems. However, it offers steady revenue streams by supplying products to multiple brands. So large cosmetics conglomerates like Estee Lauder, L'Oreal have extensive manufacturing operations to support their portfolio of brands. So number three is cosmetics distribution and retail. So the distribution and retail of cosmetics product is another lucrative area. Wholesalers, distributors, and retailers play a crucial role in getting cosmetics product into the hands of consumers. So retailers like Sephora, Ulta, and department stores significantly generate revenue from cosmetic sales, often earning high profit margins. So online cosmetics retailer like Dem Store and Skin Store are found a success by offering convenient e-commerce platforms and curated product selections. So the number four, cosmetics influence in marketing. Influencer marketing has become a major driver of growth in the cosmetics industry. Beauty influencers on social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram can earn money by promoting cosmetics products to their engaged followers. Brand often partner with influential beauty creators to reach new audiences and drive sales. So successful beauty influencer can earn thousands of dollars per sponsored post, making it a lucrative revenue stream. So in summary, the cosmetics industry offers a wide range of opportunities to make money, from starting your own brand to participating in the manufacturing, distribution, or influencer marketing aspects of the business. The key is to identify a specific niche or opportunity that aligns with your skills, resources, and market knowledge, and then execute a well-planned strategy to capitalize on it. So, well, that's all for today's episode. I hope you find the information helpful and interesting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future episodes. I'm always working on creating new and informative content, so make sure to check back regularly for more episodes. Please feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of today's topic, or if there is anything else you'd like me to cover in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in the next episodes. So take care. Bye for now.